Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. I hope you are doing well. I hope you have had a blessed week, a blessed day. I'm thankful for another day. God is good, definitely. Shout out to all the new subscribers that have chosen to join T and K Chit Chats. Thank you for being part of the family. I appreciate you. Thank you for being on this journey with us as we continue to grow, as we continue to give the world what God give us to pour out. I'm just grateful for another day. It is the evening time. We got something quick going on in the air fryer for dinner. You always gonna hear me say something quick because guess what? Getting up at 6 in the morning, Monday through Friday, when Friday evening come, Mama wants something quick to eat for dinner. So does my son. So that's definitely what you'll get. So most of all, I just want to say hey on this Friday. Say hey. Hey. Thank you for being part of our journey. We coming back with another video. You know we got these bangers coming. Every 2 days we uploading. We getting it out there, right?
Yes.
So we are going to wipe down the cabinets, get them cleaned, and I don't know, just stick around and see what else we got. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Those who have subscribed, thank you also for viewing us. We hope that you find it in your heart to join our family as we continue to stay motivated and grow. Listen, we are going up. God is in control. Thank you. Stick around. as you see, we just wiped down that microwave a little bit. Um, did the top cabinets. So this is the end of the video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. I hope you stay blessed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the